Another day, another project. Here we have a cube, 3D printed body, ESP32 again, with the MPU 6050 accelerometer gyroscope chip, and 3 NIDAC 24 encoded motors, and some reaction wheels, a bunch of code, and let's just let it get its calibration. It has a Bluetooth that you can log into it and calibrate it, but I've already done that. Okay. Should be good to go. So on the edge, just one wheel. And the inertia, momentum, whatever, keeps it up. Took me a while to build this thing. It was a pain in the ass. And then the vertex. A little more tricky to keep it up. It's like magic. I think I'm going to cut the frame off some thin stainless steel in the plasma CNC, and the wheels, polish it up. I think it'll look kind of cool. So there it is, the balance cube.